How do you rotate a sky texture so you can cast interesting architectural shadows in Blender? Blender has sky textures, so it's really easy to just have a single point of light infinite far away. And they also offer a little bit of control so you can adjust the angle and the rotation and what time of day it is. If you just go to the render tab at the top and you don't have a sky texture, then click on the world tab. Then instead of having color be unfilled, select it and then select sky texture. By default, it'll be a Nishita texture, and this only works in cycles, but there are also sky textures that work in Eevee. We have a couple options over here. We have the sun size, which is basically how big it is in the sky. So just leave this alone unless you're dealing with an alien planet. The sun intensity is how bright the sun is, the strength. And then the sun elevation and rotation, these are the two that we're going to use the most. The elevation is basically what time of day is it, what angle in the sky it is. So if I go up to a higher elevation, 90 degrees is straight up and down. So this is high noon. And then if I go all the way close to 180, it'll be coming back from the other side. So now this is 155, and you can see how even the temperature of the light changes with that elevation. It's a pretty neat simulation. So I can change it to see which angle of light I want to have coming through the windows. I can also rotate it. So this basically changes which way your building is pointing. So I can rotate the sun and you can see how the shadows go across during the day, or depending on how you have your building rotated. This is a really powerful tool and you can get all kinds of really great renders with it. You can also add air particles, and it gives you some presets for a polluted day or a clear day. We have one. You can give dust. Also gives you some presets. So it says 5 is like a city-like atmosphere with all the dust in the sky. You can change the sun intensity to make it less or more, depending on what you need to do in your scene. If you change the strength, that'll also get even brighter. Hopefully this allows you to use sky textures in your architectural models in Blender and render interesting light studies. Happy 3D modeling!